It's time to learn about how to use technical indicators in MT4 Android app. Welcome to Capitalxtend. Let's start with how to adjust technical indicators. To add indicators on the chart screen, tap this icon. On the indicators list, tap on the indicator that you want to add. You can add trend, oscillators, volumes, and Bill Williams indicators. Scroll down to see them all. A new window will open where you can adjust your parameters, and once you have finished, tap Done. Let's see how to delete technical indicators. To delete indicators, on the chart screen, tap the function icon. Then on the new window, tap on the bin icon in the top right corner. Tick the box of the indicator you wish to delete. Tap on the bin icon again to confirm the deletion. Thank you for watching. In our next video, learn about how to use objects in MT4 Android app. Stay tuned.